अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर ने मुजवज़ा अमन मुआहदे की 100% हिमायत की। तमाम मुस्लिम और अरब ममालिक भी अमन मंसूबे में साथ हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि गजा में अमन के लिए हमास को फौरी तौर पर गैर मुसल्लह होना होगा।
Field Marshal of Pakistan, they were with us right from the beginning. Incredible. In fact, they just put out a statement that they fully believe in this pact. It just came out just as I was walking around. They said, "Sir, you have a big notice from the Prime Minister of Pakistan and from the Field Marshal that they back this 100%. Under the plan, Arab and Muslim countries have committed, and in writing in many cases, but I actually would take their word for it. The people I mentioned, I'd take their word for it, to demilitarize Gaza, and that's quickly. Decommission the military capabilities of Hamas and all other terror organizations. Do that immediately. And we're relying on the countries that I named and others to deal with Hamas. And I'm hearing that Hamas wants to get this done too, and that's a good thing.